So just to let you know, I now have a new set out, which is different from my extra colour set. This is the basic 6 colour set. Now, as you know, when we're painting, we use some colours a lot, like French ultramarine, both the yellows, the phthalocyanine blue, and then rose madder and Sennelier red. They're my basic primary colours, and so I thought, well, I'm always running out of them. It's always quite nice to be able to buy a quick set that's got all of the colours in it. So I've got this box here, and it's very similar to my extra set. It's in a nice little tin, and you've got the 6 colours there ready to go. And I thought that's quite nice actually, because if you're just starting out and you wanted to do some very simple colour mixing, then 6 tins is quite nice to start with. Get it back in there. Those 6 basic colours are really good, and you can actually do whole paintings just using those 6 basic colours. So we're going to be looking at some projects where we just use those colours, and this would be a great little starter kit for somebody just setting out.